Hi Sahanafi, I hope you are having a good day. Firstly, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Durgashni Annapapan Krishnamurthy. I am 19 years old and currently studying at KPJC College Penang. I am basically from Taiping, Perak. I finished my high school at SMK Kampung Jambu. Now I have enrolled graduation in this college. I am excited and happy. About my family, we are 7 members in my family. My mom is my hero. She is literally what I love in my life and my main priority. I have best friends from my high school and also from the college. They are my supporters, motivators, and one of the reasons why I am smiling every day. Without them, my life would be dark. The reason why I chose pharmacies is because it was my dream since childhood, and now I feel blessed to be a part of medical frontliners. Pharmacists plays an important role in healthcare. Our main duty is to check the prescriptions from doctors before dispensing the medication to the patients to ensure that the patients don't receive the wrong drugs or take an incorrect dose of medicine which could harm their life. Other than that, the thing that inspired me to choose pharmacies because I can help defend against bioterrorism. We, as a pharmacist, are educated to recognize the signs and symptoms of disease that may be used in a biological attack. For an example, in an epidemic or bioterror situations, pharmacists are prepared to play a major role in preventing the spread of disease and overseeing the distribution of appropriate and safe medications. I would like to be a highly respected member of my community. As you born in an Asian family, being respected by the community is very important. Pharmacists are visible leaders in our community who are entrusted with the health of our families. Next, what I aspire to do in the future as a successful pharmacist in the healthcare industry. I would like to be a health consultancy. I would like to have the opportunity to provide basic care to patients with simple problems. As we all know, the patients would see the doctor to get the prescription and follow the medicines that has been prescribed. But in another way, they would not have the basic knowledge on their health problem. I would like to give them a clear picture on what they have been going through, what will happen, and not to forget, support and motivate them. Other than dispensing medicines, I would like to join the research projects. Through research and trials, I can help the physicians determine which drug therapies are best to treat various diseases. I believe with this, I can bring an understanding of medicine and its uses to the clinical aspect of research. Example, we can gather data on the usage of medicine and review drug usage patterns to determine which drugs are most effective and which drugs may be overprescribed or underutilized. I think that's all from me for today. Thank you for being here and taking the time patiently to listen what I had to say. Wishing you to have a blessed day. Thank you and goodbye.